we're going to bring you into our family mealtime because it's sausage night in our Ninja Foodi Max Dualzone Air Fryer, which involves veg, creamy mash, and lashings of gravy. I don't know what the international standard measurement of a lashing is, but this is a 750 gram pack. That's 1.5 pounds of prime pork sausages, chipolatas. I think I'm going for 4. Once you call the number of sausages you want, you can't change them. That's the rule in our house. All in all, about, I think, 14 sausages there. We're going to dial up 325 degrees Fahrenheit, 170 degrees Celsius, 17 minutes in total, but let's put 15 on the clock. These are waxy red potatoes and a splash of milk and a spoon of butter. There's 5 minutes left on the clock, so this is after 10 minutes and they're coming along nicely. Back to the hob. We're boiling the veg, so we're boiling the broccoli and the carrots, and we're using the veg water for the gravy. These are very cheap supermarket gravy granules. Yeah, this consistency looks pretty good. Oh, perfect. This is how the pork chipolatas should look, according to my family. And in goes the creamy mash and the frozen broccoli and fresh carrots. Everyone gets their share of the sausage. Oh, maybe not that one. And it's really unfair. I'm glad we put an extra one into the pot. It's time for a trip to Gravy Town. On it goes. Let's have a little sneak peek of how it actually went down at the dinner table, though. I am calling this Dad Delivers success.